IMF for no. So we need to contact these people. No, say a president now about we know. And yet the other woman, you won't physically be a man.
As a cassette, Mahama, or yes, nyachimbi to say well you good, Ohunipa just pretend as if he's very good. Or you bad, wouldn't say Papa, why you wicked? Or you wicked, Papa, but he's just pretend. Nani pedinachi. You say what the abubo ambulance in Kitten Aba, or can so the Akon Kitten and what the ambulance in Kitten Aba. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Enemre. Now what was sister we 7,000 oh. Almost say 7,000. Papa na ojina wa no wakasa no. Ohia se ka ojina ho a wo de won se achi sei. Na dia bona no so. Ojina wo say keka we chirechiri. Ha. 7,000
Abobolance.
Hey, who's so many? Who prophesies in the power?
Abobolance.
Abobo ya. Abobo ya. 7,000. They say what they calling? What they could call everywhere, and I say, me wona near cano dibisi kumasi or better. Adain. Hey. Nana do buy ye only baumia buy ye. Now almost 30 years at the nice 307 ambulance by. Now these people are talking trash. These people are sitting down talking trash. And she dear wako fabas. Soliana me chia we and the sika suni wo. Sika no for free. Uba bosomi na uba ye dear na unya se sika. Uba will be a jawiska. Upa some via. Wo koto ade ye de wo na wo siefo wo na wo ye savior nka savior de ka beto ambulance chain na na do de tini e ka say this man who say NDC ni MPP there is wild difference bebrewum na nipa bi asa nya daje open their rubbish mouth aka say na na do ye nipa boni ni na na do ye wo be kunyen na na do de hey Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Nana, Tina Papa will say, sitting Kofusi and one being no, and everybody will going to get it. Obia begin at 1, 1, 1, 1. I think to far we say, I dear we say, me would it check me cramming to the muda. Sabi, what they check me? Me call you say Ghana, ya, Obia, Oka, was it, oh, Kofa, we are me. Maybe from we are coming auntie. I think. Once I could say in funny pantum will be yalia. Eh, Nakosako yelling two sickness, Ubasa yelling yallian to us room. Nancy, no, a trembling for. I tell I dear woman and Ghana. That is what I think. No way, trembling for say, no, Mama, we are so, Jesus Christ. Yeni so dia wodi abaye. When you so way. This one. Hey. Radinya me. I feel so baby your side fire. Wo bia kuro nothing with your ma to aba mammo. Wo komo ma dia enka ma dia be buru na na do dia so. Akofa abubo ya. No ma sa be gina ka say we are highly appreciated. Jesus Christ.
It's not cabro focão.
Ha! Appreciate hey, Jesus. This man is wrong. Mr. Upon one. He don't respect anybody in Ghana. But Ohuni Power just pretended to say he's very good. He now why in the name it is said you wicked man. So wicked. Now would you say abase me de baby me de kasakabia mo famra na ye dia afa mo a wo mu yale mpo ne do makọ animal hospital wo de abase en famfa nipa any ada obeba bia na ba na bi di nachi mo mu fa rewan ni di nachi so ko ba bi e wo se de sa bobo ya ni di nachi so ono akra be ni da aden na wo yesa who don't respect anybody obi ato aba ma wo say wonim se me de me ba akọ eti me ye bibia so kan me say every day me there baby I make say sa me audio ne buy you know asem o kan ye na people don't take it serious na me nwanwo o se ye wo de mu nja wo mo na so mu to aba ne ma ye wia asante region krade o mu de bibi o mbaji ti o mu to ma ye wia me ya flash o mo off and wa start flash you he say abobo ya nkete ye fan thing akukon nkete no ne say ye the ambulance nkete na asa it's too bad though. Yet so will be a back or tossa ambulance. You go buy now, so I could talk more than that. Be a walk or talk bear 600. Now, so the doctors because so now, so yes, savior. Oh, I got G Sanket and get you 7,000. So Bobo Yahweh 7,000. Say, may they buy this Bujama and he passed be one fan support. Health. Jesus Christ. The voice, my main rest. Namely, I say, we cry.
Yo. I
would. No. Jesus.
Yeah. Auntie Lydia, calm down why before you come and have high blood pressure.
That's rubbish.
Rubbish.
It's just a rubbish thing. Rubbish. Rubbish, 100%. Now we'll be to work as a why are they na? Or they be supported. What they are most such a audacity.
Yeah. Ha. With our Auntie Lydia. Yo, Auntie Selena, good evening.
Hey, the voice. So the Nyame Aduma.
Oh, Auntie Selena came before, then another Miss Jenny. Jenny, wait. Don't sleep yet.
Mother bear 3 million.
Auntie Selena, we are. Yeah, Auntie Selena. Yes, I don't want to answer.
I don't know Bible. Then the crime you be sent Yamia. Yamia Oba Africa, Oba yo. Papa. The voice. Na me pese Mahama Ohoni say. Sanka ye yanko votu ankonye president o. Ena you ko votu because say yenim say obetimi di oman no ye hu hiamo enu ti na bebi mu ko votu man no say yanko votu anko no wonye president na konya no because Ghana konya na nya ejade enipa le choose na ye choose ni say o me destroy my Ghana en ka me pa de na me expect Mahama say na na Akufo do etimeja ne legacy say with the free education aba na ma ye helicopter na ma ye ship no kanye bia he Dr. Bawumia kula ye can say gas bo a transportation no or some the electronics car ebeba send ebeya mo gas prices no ebe ko for mama mo eka wo kwatena 8 years na wo de Dr. Bawumia nyansani baby anadwene wo ne professor do my Ghana kono mu no wo so eyesaka wo dwene se o ka wonim ebi a look ebi a ambulance no rural areas no is not going to help because ebi na wonim ambulance one wade a wo mo ye ne same so what's na ambulance man they always communicate with the doctors so they communicate with the doctors to let the doctors know what is going on with the patient enti ka wo kwa kope bi ha helicopter me you bi say eno no be transport to maybe a very emergency be a patient because nipa no wo boy na bi kura wonya ka yebetumi na ba konfa no che because ene America omo the robots ena ebe supply nuro uko hospital robot na ebe ye nyuma ewiase ekonenim ewiase nkonachi enti the way anaka Dr. Bawumia ye kata che Ghana fo say we are in a good track so what should the way Dr. Bawumia the way no siki kale samna moma yenum nsuo ntwe wo pe sebi Dr. Bawumia mko ye emu ne dokono ne nchinam ne mko no yente so ene krom ha ukosans club ekoto mo kwa mo the restrictor to so you can buy only 2 bags. Ewiase no since COVID no ewiase nye ewiase se person de na TBM ye kan amonte ase na me se otumfo na me sere wala onana Saka we de me enfa bi makumase na me yekumase se Nigeria wo na je se me dwene Ghana kura je se de Ghana kura do usi ye Ghana kura na e ya rohosam se ye hwepa de na kufu ado me ma me ko Ghana o so do airport wa de we ya Ghana nsa ene emesi sesano na Ghana fo ntimi afo mani anto adima na ne kufu ado ye Dr. Bawumia ba to aso no na ko my Ghana etimi akọ nanim no na wo mahama so atna say 8 years went me anka say sebi na ne kufu ado abeje ne dini sebi ye papa kufu abeje ne din na mame so minje me din papa na me ni wo my Ghana de akai me papa ye nya bibia say me madam for me ni go school Ghana saka we bi etimi aku ne bad boy emunu toy emunu ye na boy ne sco chance boy ne wu na me find so obi nya heart attack no you rushing that person to the hospital na wo de car we na di nipa na ko enti jumpa say mama nti wadwene o my Ghana ho so a very insult and they are wholesome so wo hwe nyema we a se wo mo di na chenye ani age a ne te say ewiase be se nkofo na o mo ka say Ghana IQ no ya dwene no se me pantu fi se mahama ne ba yale a wo be ko professor ba bobo ka we ne ba koto adentina o pesa odi Ghana brosa ade a waye die saka we dem obi ankotena mu because wonim na kotra ka we mu a wo be wu ansa no do hospital because any problem pra me say America so wo frɛ na wanwa na wo police nyina aka ho na me pese we busa say nyame a wo bo nipa no nyo na bo kuro mu a because kuro mu no wo mu dwene nipa ho na epina na kufu ado ye say ambulance ni baby anti no wo modena say baby can state bia na every place bia benya ambulance na so things wo kwa de wontimi nya mabure elesen na Dr. Bawumia adwene ade ya timi transfer dure kra friend say drones no wo Dr. Bawumia nyansani na dwene kese de ni tirimu no e ka so ba ye woni Dr. Bawumia e transfer drones ntino mame so mempe 2 helicopter bia na 3 bi na ye fancy wo so obi enya very severe accident bia ye de na to went me anye we e di ye wo ba nyane enim se wo ba be se o my Ghana no e no kwasam se wo ba ye wo apu ma na wo tie na no na wo tie wo insult Ghana for because one was so wa winam panam na kadompe Mahama does not respect Ghanaian people na wo kan na NDC for ma o ma dwene susa no a wo no mu education bia Mr. Sedu Nketiasma wo kai no kore wo se wo ye jimifo and a pre power no because obi no ye sensible person ade Mahama kwa ba ye wo yi no nka me NDC nya ka me yi me ho afiri ho na can never be an NDC member because me dwene the union of the dwene that it be the me can say mo de enkofo no mo ma yi sika no kwa ye from say a
yeah donors no
the woman ya no mo ma wo mo ti be restrict to ye sika no say ma mo
IMF
for no so we need to contact these people no say president now about we no enya de obebo wo man ti wo mo fisika bi ama no me this no ama Ghana ho asa ma chiri bi me 4 years time to me that's why
you me that say